Guys, it's an early morning stroll in the garden just to check on the plants, make sure they have plenty of water, and we're doing the consistent maintenance on these guys. I am removing all the dead leaves here. As you can see, even though this is a bush cucumber plant, I've got the vines. They're short vines, but I've got them trellised up, and we want to make sure that these guys are getting pretty. Look at this little guy here. Okay. So we're making sure that the plant has good circulation. I also want to get that first cucumber off the vine. So the others have signals to go ahead and produce and not to stop producing. So I'm getting that off there. It's about 6 to 8 inches, which is about the right size. So we're going to take that one on off and let the others finish maturing. Bush cucumber plants are early to mature, but you want to make sure that you're giving them consistent water, or if you don't get consistent water, the cucumbers can come out a little bitter. So making sure that the soil stays moist but not waterlogged. Also, you want to make sure that you're giving it plenty of good fertilizer, balanced fertilizer, not too much nitrogen, because it takes away from the flavor of the cucumber and focuses on the foliage, which is what we don't want. Also, I'm looking at this is a sweet banana pepper. This is not a hot one, it's a sweet banana pepper, and I chose this variety because they do turn orange, and I know them from the difference between these and my hot ones, which turn yellow. So yes, and then of course everyone knows this popular bell pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and take that one. It's a nice size, so it can let the plant know to continue to produce as well. I've got a couple off of here so far, and look at this one here. It looks like it got a little bit of sun bruised. I don't see anywhere it has been penetrated by any pest or anything. It just got a little sun bruise, so we can cut that off, but we can still use that. And like I said, the other ones can continue to grow. So I'm gonna also go ahead and take some of these hot banana peppers, since they are now yellow. They go from a pale color to like a light green, and then to a yellow, and then you know that they're ready as well. So if you let them stay on too long, they kind of lose the flavor profile. So I am getting these right at the right time. They're a nice bright yellow color. So I'm gonna go ahead and take those. And then as we are continuing to look around and see what other maintenance needs to be done, as we also are looking at the soil to make sure that the soil in each container is moist. So that is what we're doing this morning, our early morning stroll. I've got lots of these banana peppers throughout the container garden, so I'm just going to go ahead and get all that I see that are ready for harvesting, and yep, and then we'll move on and see what else needs to be taken care of. So it's kind of a trio. I got quite a few of these cherry tomatoes that I can go ahead and take off. They're not 100% right, but they are blushing, and I'm going to get these before the birds get a hold of them, or before any pests try to take them from me. So we'll go ahead and get all that are either ripe or blushing. I've got several of these different varieties of cherry tomatoes, so we're gonna go walk through and see what we can get. They're at various stages of being ripe, which is great, because I have some to eat now, and I have some to eat a little later when they turn ripe. The temperatures did drop a little bit, so the tomatoes are starting to turn ripe now. This basil, I think I'm going to go ahead and give this one a little cut as well, so that it's being a little bit, it's growing, you know, it's competing now in terms of space with the tomato plant. So we'll go ahead and cut that back a little bit as well. And then this needs some maintenance here. This is a determinate bush tomato plant, and it is still producing. I'm a little bit surprised by that, but as long as it keeps producing, I will keep taking care of it. And then taking care of it, part of that is, you know, doing the maintenance on the plant as well, removing dead leaves, keep fertilizing it, watering it, that kind of thing. These are not quite right, but just like the cherry tomatoes, they will ripen on the windowsill. So I'm going to go ahead and take those. Those have been on that tomato bush for quite a while now, and like I said, because of the temperatures, they just weren't turning right. But yeah, made myself a little salad. This is exactly what you can do when you harvest fresh out of your garden. Have a good day, guys.